This is a used 2013 Ford F-150, powered by four-wheel drive, a 5-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 15,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, alloy rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, keyless entry, split rear seats, an MP3 player, air conditioning, power windows, power mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Chalmers Capital Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at Cerrillos Road, Santa Fe, New Mexico 87507.